If you were a Pontiac collector, a lot of people say the pinnacle of the Pontiacs is the 65 GTeeO Tiger, which was the national marketing car back in '65 with the vinyl roof and the Hurst Gold anodized rims on it, and it's the only car to come out of the factory with those rims. And it did travel from city to city back in '65 to introduce the body style changes that they made in '65 versus the '64.